We dream of the smart factory, where the human can effortlessly utilize complex IT/OT data. That solution is here. HMI Centric. Reposition the human in the center of the automation architecture, convinced that humans have unrealized potential. Interactive and intuitive operations help to make sharp and timely decisions by everyone, everywhere. By connecting to devices from a plethora of manufacturers, we can discover new optimized solutions and configurations. With peace of mind on the site. HMI with visibility, flexibility, and reliability opens the window to information for you. HMI Centric Solutions make the best of the human workforce with the digital technology.